pie. Okay? Oh, it's spicy. I need some milk. That's empty. It's all gone.
I'm gonna get the milk.
You're gonna get the milk?
I forgot the milk.
You forgot the milk.
No, it's milk.
Did you get the milk? Here, I'll take some. Thank you. Mmm. Ah, all better.
Turn.
Charlie's turn. You want some spicy pie? Okay, here. How is it? Is it good?
It's coffee.
That's coffee. How's the pie though? Is it spicy?
Ooh, it's spicy.
It's spicy. Quick, drink some milk.
It's coffee.
It's coffee. Sorry, it's not milk. It's coffee. Is it all better?
Is that turn?
Daddy's turn.